Okay guys, I decided to come up the back end of town. I'm on the street Lazaro Cardenas. I think that's how you say it. Put on the screen, you got that up there. I want to show you as a florist. A few weeks back, a month ago, it was Emma's birthday and I bought flowers for her. Got delivered. I got it from here. They were very good. I'll see if I can find pictures. So if you want to send flowers to your loved ones, I would recommend here. I will put the address on screen. So I just mentioned that as I was passing up this area of town. Community here. So a little walk around here. 20 minutes or so. Place for sale there. There's a Pinocchio's bar on the Malik one as well. Just passing a few bars here, they're all expats in them, which tells me everything here is cheap. The card over there. Have a quick look at that. What I've noticed about this one, which I don't have it precisely, the prices are on the products. I haven't been this area before, so I'll spend a little time looking around here myself, see what they got. It looks again like a local neighbourhood kind of place. More fruit there, good prices. Wow. Let's go across the road here. It's a bit like the market area at the top of San Salvador. So you've got tortillas there, fresh tortillas. There's hardware stores here. Health store. Lovely, isn't it? Health store. exactly like the area on top of San Salvador. This must probably be where you get fresh fish, which is not here at the moment. Butcher shop over there. Something to eat. Salsa Roxa. Let's have a look in here. That's supposed to make it meal houses. That's the salsa getting made there. I wish I brought my rucksack now. Okay, I need to make a note here. So they're making fresh Mexicana salsa there in there. But I'm not going to carry it around in my hand all this. I'm going to be out a few hours. I have my rucksack with you from out there. So this is what I found today. So I don't usually come up to this area, so I found something new, which is useful for me. It might be useful for you guys as well. So there are a lot of Airbnbs here, apartments. So it's well worth looking at. Shrimp there, 210 pesos for king size per kilo. Oh, I wish I brought my rucksack with me now. Place sale up there. This was where I was the other day on the river walk. You got Oasis on the junction, just turn right from there. I think oh yeah, here's the river here now. The area is a bit like Aguadazur where I am, but I would probably say there's more choice here in shop wise. There's something definitely we're looking at. Soco's place. I'm not going to go up there. Okay, a little walk, 2-minute walk around there now. There's bars, there's tortilla place, there's taco place, there's things like for your pets, there's fish stalls, there's butchers, there's fruit and veg, there's health stores, everything in this little neighbourhood. And it's just really a 5-minute walk from Zona Romantica. Oh, that's the guy from the tackle stand, Crossroads and Panchos. She must have a place up here as well during the day, and then opposite Panchos in the evening. Well, that was worth 20 minutes of my time. I like finding new places to see, new shops. But I've looked at the prices are very good. So it's not a bad little area, and it's close to town. Save on Ubers. Since I've been here for 6 months, I do get a record of how many Ubers I've had, and I've had 127 Ubers in the last 6 months, and I'm sure that amounts to a lot of money in the end. So I would save probably the cost of a flight just being here. Okay, so you roughly know where I am. Behind me there, by the big tree, is Bonito Kitchen. So I can't see any street names at the moment. Oh, there I go, Orange Street. And here, okay, Bonito Kitchen is there, in front of the tree. And here, I think, is this where the fish tacos are going to when I first came here? Yeah. This is one of the first places I came to for fish tacos last year. Marimaso. I'll put the name on the screen, but it is there on the wall. Maris. I'm going to go with the pronunciation. I don't want to really waste my time. I can barely speak bloody English. Never mind words I've seen before, but that is one of the places I do recommend. The thing is, I had Baja fish tacos there. The problem with Baja fish tacos, I made them in my own restaurant, and they were better than that. There's nothing wrong with them, just that mine were better. Anyway, I'm not bragging about it, it's just a fact. But if you hear that fish sacrifice, it was good. Like I say, mine were better. Got a bakery here. Chicharron. It's just a cool place. So I'm going to make my way to town now, a quick walk around there. Probably go down to the pier, see what the beach looks like. See how busy it is. And then I'll probably make my way back. See how it goes, you know. I'll probably bump into somebody into town, you know. Which seems to be all the time these days. But yes, I enjoyed our little bit of a walk. Seen lots of different things there.
The name of the place.
Okay, I'm in town on Basildo, like you say, the main road where Margarita Grill and Joe Jacks is, etc. Ponchos. Take a walk down here. There's a all very quiet. Usually you just find people strolling along down here. Here you go. Oh, it's you guys! Come on! Properly. Properly. Hola. Dave. Charlotte. Carol was one of that the other day. Okay. Right, where are you off to now?
We're going to a hotel, and then we're going to Monchi's.
Monchi. Have you been there before?
That's where we saw you the first day.
Oh, is it? Oh, that one there, yeah, next to Pop of Oz.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking at a margarita grill now, I think. The thing is, like, I spent about 60 quid. I just can't stop. So I might just have one there, and that's it.
They're spicy margarita. They're so good.
Spicy one. Oh,
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Well, maybe we'll see you around.
Yeah.
If you come by Monchi's,
Yeah, man, for the beer, yeah. Well. Just a minute, see ya. Okay, that's some subscribers I met the other day. They actually told me they were coming here. And I met them in a bar, and I met them in Captain Don's. So I might go there for the beer in a minute and have a little chat with them. Let's see what's happening here. Right, well, let's sit down here at Margarita Grill. Emma's, I just connected the internet. Emma's messaged me, so I need to sort out what to think. I'm ignoring it. So we'll sit down here.